Demystifying Mixed Conditionals. Master the structure and usage. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to unravel a key element of English grammar: mixed conditional sentences. These might seem challenging at first, but once you understand their structure and function, you'll have an incredibly useful tool in your language toolkit. So, buckle up and let's start this exciting journey. Mixed conditionals, as the name suggests, are a mix of different types of conditional sentences. These sentences combine two different types of conditional moods. Specifically, they mix the second and third conditionals. The if clause comes from the third conditional, expressing an unreal past condition, while the main clause comes from the second conditional, showing a present or future unreal consequence. Let's look at an example. If I had studied harder, I would be at a better college. The if clause here, if I had studied harder, represents an unreal past condition, while the main clause, I would be at a better college, shows a present unreal consequence. Mixed conditionals have two clauses, an if clause and a main clause. The if clause uses the past perfect, had plus past participle, and the main clause uses would plus base verb. The structure looks like this: if plus past perfect, would plus base verb. Remember, you can also reverse the order of the clauses without changing the meaning. Would plus base verb, if plus past perfect. Mixed conditionals are primarily used when we want to express a hypothetical condition and its probable present or future outcome. The condition is something that did not happen in the past, and the outcome is an imaginary situation in the present or future. For instance, if she hadn't missed the train, she would be here by now. In this sentence, the speaker imagines a situation where she didn't miss the train, which didn't happen in reality, and its possible outcome in the present. And there you have it. You've taken a significant step forward in mastering mixed conditionals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep applying these structures in your writing and conversations. As always, don't hesitate to rewatch this video if you need a refresher. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next lesson.